Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Elyse and today we're going to be going over mask-proof, transfer-proof makeup. So with the new normal that we're in and mask mandates and everything, I figured it'd be really helpful to figure out what products work best under a mask. I personally work in a job where I'm forward-facing to customers, so I have to have a mask on. But then I also work behind the scenes in an office where I can take my mask off and have to be on camera. So for me, it's important to have makeup that lasts under a mask and then looks okay when you take the mask off. And I know that there are a lot of jobs out there that feel the same or work the same. So for those of you who want to learn what products work best for under your mask, then let's get right into it. A few weeks back, I trialed 5 days straight of wearing a mask for 8 hours a day, and I tried out different product combinations, drugstore, high-end, a mixture of both, setting sprays, powders, everything to make sure that you can get so that I could provide you with the best information possible. So I did wear tests all day on my Instagram. If you want to see all of those videos, just head on over to my Instagram. I'll link it up here for you. And then it's under my highlights, mask makeup. So super simple. And today I'm going to be showing you the best of the best from that 5-day trial. I'm wearing a turtleneck because I sat down and realized that the foundation I'm using today matches my summer shade or my fake tan shade, and I have neither of those. So the turtleneck is going to hide the fact that this foundation probably doesn't match my skin tone. Starting off, just prepping your face however works best for you. I didn't find there was any one way that worked best. Everything I use will be linked in the bio. But yeah, I didn't find that there were any primers that worked better than the others. Starting off with the IT Cosmetics Your Skin But Better setting spray, we're going to ignore the fact that I've been picking off my nail polish. Next up, I'm going in with the CoverGirl True Blend Mattifying Primer. I'm just going to be applying this in the lower half of my face where the mask will be sitting. And then to finish it off, we're going in with the e.l.f. Luminous Putty Primer just to fill in my pores and give my skin a nice glow. Once all of that is on, the foundation that we're going in with today is the Smashbox Studio Skin 16-Hour Wear Hydrating Foundation. This stuff is fantastic. It looks great on camera, looks great in person, and it lasts all day long, especially on my oily skin, so it's great. And I'm going to be applying it with a Zoeva 103 definer brush, or defined buffer brush. Yeah, that might not work. Okay, that color might not be too bad actually. On the neck, I am not somebody who applies their makeup and looks cute while they do it. I don't know how some of these YouTubers always look so good applying their makeup. It is not me. That is not me. Okay, I've just gotten a little bit closer and turned up my light a little bit because I'm trying to figure out how that you could the best way so that you guys can see everything. I don't shoot on a very fancy camera, so sometimes the quality makes it a little bit trickier. Okay, moving on to concealer. I'm going in with the e.l.f. 16-Hour Wear Hydrating Camo Concealer, and I'm going to apply that in all my normal places, under my eyes, around the redness of my nose, my chin. Then I'm using my beauty sponge. This is the Real Techniques Beauty Blender, and just gonna blend all that out. So the makeup I found that worked best for under the mask was a mixture of drugstore and high-end stuff, which was awesome. So I'm gonna go in and start setting my under eyes with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in Fair Light. And I'm using my beauty sponge to do that. So I'm just gonna tap off a little bit into the cap. And then set all the spots that I applied that concealer. And then going in pressed powder form of this Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Powder and a fluffy brush all over to set the rest of my face. Okay, we're all set. set and ready to go, literally. We're gonna go with contour now, and this is the palette that I've been using as my mirror. We're gonna be going in with the Essence Sun Matte Bronzing Powder Palette. You know the drill. This is the exact same palette that I've been using in every video. It's fantastic. I go with the top 2 colors as my contour shades. And I'm going in with the Morphe M530, just like a contour brush here. We're gonna start sculpting out the face. Blend it out with our bronzer now, so I am going to go in with a bronzer. Oh shoot, oh here it is. This is the Milani Baked Bronzer in Dolce. My go-to bronzer in Dolce, and I use it just to blend everything out. It's beautiful, it's got a great sheen to it. So I'll apply that. Great. I don't apply anything on my forehead just because I have bangs, so it's kind of a waste of product. But if you don't have bangs, go ahead and apply things on your forehead. Okay. For blush, I'm going in with the Milani Blush in Luminoso. Peachy pink sheen to it. Taking an angled brush. This is the Zoeva Luxe Sheer Cheek Brush. This has been my go-to lately. I absolutely love it. And starting it on the backs of my cheeks and blending it up and into the center. Okay, I'm gonna hop off camera. I'm gonna go do my eyebrows and my eyes off camera, and then we're gonna come back. We're gonna do setting spray and lips on camera. And then I'll show you some before and after pictures when it comes to this makeup and how it lasts throughout the day. So I'll be right back. Okay, I've just finished my eyes, and this is one that I filmed. So it'll be up either before this video or after this video, but it won't be too far behind or too far ahead. So if you're watching this and you're like, ooh, like those eyes, it's really easy. It's 3 steps, 2 brushes, and 2 minutes. Like really ridiculously easy. It's my favorite kind of glam look when I'm in a hurry. Everything I'm doing is always in a hurry. I have a child and a job in a pandemic. Like nobody's got any extra time at this point. So we're going to finish up this face. We're going in with lips. We're using drugstore products today. I'm just rifling through them. So we're going to be going in with the, oh, this is so dirty, sorry. Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Liquid Lipstick, and we're going in the color, oh, where's the color? Loyalist. I don't know where it went. The color is no longer on here, but it's Loyalist. And I'm gonna line my lips with the Milani Color Stay Lip Statement, Color Statement Lip Pencil, whatever, in all natural. Everything's gonna be linked down below. This stuff, this liquid lipstick, does not budge, it really does not budge. So it's perfect, and I'm just gonna line my lips and then apply that liquid lipstick. Okay, while my lips dry, because I am going to go back in and just touch up the line a little bit, I'm going to finish off with a setting spray. So I have been setting my face with the IT Cosmetics Your Skin But Better one. This is what I use to also prep my skin. The Maybelline Super Stay Spray or L'Oreal Infallible Spray also work fantastic for it, but I'm just going to do a really light spritz to pick up any extra powder. And by a light spritz, I mean half bottle. Let that dry. And then one thing that I found to work really well was to take your, take a brush. I'm going to use my foundation brush and just press all those powders in while your skin is a little bit wet from that spray. And this just really helps preventing that transfer. That is the finished makeup look for you. Your mask proof, transfer proof transfer proof makeup. This will last you for 8 hours at least throughout the day, and you should have minimal transfer on your mask. I will show you, I'll put photos up on the screen right now to show you what my mask looked like halfway through the day, so 4 hours in of wearing this makeup, and then at the end of the day, so 8 hours after, and I will show you what my face looked like as well. So I'll put all those photos up somewhere here, so just so you can get an idea, because I am not wearing a mask all day today, but it's super helpful to be able to see what it does. This works really great for all skin types. The way you prep your skin will make a difference. So if you've got dry skin, just make sure you prep it so it's hydrated. If you've got oily skin, put a mattifying primer underneath it, and then you're good to go. Don't forget to like this video, leave me a comment, let me know if you're wearing masks every day, if this is helpful for you, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!